Hello everyone, it's Kathy Lee from Kathy's Creative Place. I have a few more cards I want to share with you that I made from the August Craftology box. And these were created using the elements from the um, Celebrate Autumn collection from Elko Park. These are some of the papers that I have left and some chipboard pieces. I still have lots of stickers. In fact, I have a special album I am excited that I'm going to make with the rest of the remnants from that collection. But I wanted to share a few other cards that I made and tag. I wanted to kind of show how you can use like autumn colors and elements for birthday cards that are in the fall season. My birthday is in fall as well, and a couple of the cards that I wanted to share. This is just simple 4x4 cut apart, and I matted it on a Lawn Fawn stitched square die, and then I made some flowers from the papers and added some chipboard elements for leaves and some jute twine, and this opens up. I have another chipboard element that holds my jute twine. And then also, I made kind of a pocket, and I made this pocket really easy with using some really thin chipboard underneath this square Lawn Fawn die, and then I stamped a sentiment, "It's your birthday," and then I left it open so you could tuck a little gift card in there. These are some elements from the paper collection. I just cut them out and popped them up on with foam tape. And that's that one. This one's just a tag, and I used a Graphic 45 square tag, a chipboard element, this cute little squirrel with his acorn, and then I cut some acorns from the paper collection, distress it with some ink around the edges, and pop them up kind of like a border, like he's sitting around his his acorns. And then I also used an embossing um, plate that I have. I think it's actually from Echo Park or Cartabella, and I just did a little bit of distressing, and it was just a piece of cardstock that I used and added some ink around it so that you could kind of tell the different depressions of the leaf embossing plate. And then I added a sentiment of my own. This I created off my computer, just cut it out, matted it, and then added some seam binding and ribbon from the collection. And then I also added some really heavy twine that I also had in my stash. And the other side has a little die cut. It actually is die cut. It's a magnolia die, and it says from to, and then I kind of adhered it with pieces of some washi tape that was from Echo Park's collection from last year, and then just some simple baker's twine. And then for this card, again, this is a 3x4 cut apart from the collection, and then I made this little sentiment. I just kind of extended it from the card so that I could tie some jute, or excuse me, some baker's twine in a little bow and stamped "It's your birthday." And then you open it up, and it also has a gift card holder. We learned how to make this at the retreat in Ohio. I can't share a tutorial, so I'm sorry, but it's fairly simple. It's just a matter of scoring and cutting an area so you can slip a gift card in here. And then I used a a La La Land die, and Make-A-Wish. I think this is also a an Echo Park die, if I recall. I can't remember. Oh, maybe it is La La Land as well. And it just says Make-A-Wish, and I just put it on this cute little scallop circle. And that is another birthday card. So basically, you can use this collection to create cute little birthday cards and tags, even though they might be fall themed. If someone has a birthday in the fall, like I do, mine is in November, right around Thanksgiving time, so it makes for really, really pretty cards. I hope you enjoyed the my preview. Leave comments, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.